Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today, as promised, I am going to show you how I did the look from the previous video with the Laura Mercier and Look Fantastic beauty box. So keep on watching. Let's get started with the moisturizer. The Perfect Cream Multitask Moisturizer. As you can see, it's a thick, rich cream. And what I always do is on a pair of clean hands, I mush it together and then divide it all over my face. This cream has a very light scent to it. Yeah, it's not soapy, it's light and fresh. Okay, you can see that it leaves a little bit of dewiness on my face, but not too much. You're not beaming, you're not creasy, nothing. Then we go through for the eye cream. This one is the Illuminating eye cream. You can see how thick it is. It doesn't move anything. Just scoop a little bit out with the tip of my nail. Normally I would get a spatula if I do it on my clients, but this is my personal pot. I rub it between my fingers and place that underneath the eyes with a little tapping motion. So you can see that it's brighten up the under eye area. It got more sheen than the rest of the face. And if I give this the right amount of time to truly work into the skin, the puffiness is also more gone. So yeah, I really liked it. I used it several times over this week, the past week, and I'm less tired in a way. So this is an absolute favorite of mine on this moment. So just give it some wind. Then I've got the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer, the hydrating one, and this one is silicone free. So foundations that are water-based are going perfectly with this one. Otherwise, if there were silicone in it, everything will glide off. Yeah, glide off. So also from this one, I am taking a blob like this, not too much, not too little, divide it between my fingers and start placing it there where I want it, and just gently rub that over my skin. Normally in my tutorials you don't see the skin care, and I am planning to do my skincare routine video. So let me know in the comments what you think about that, if I should do it, and what do you want to know about my skincare routine. That was the primer. Also for the primer, I like to give it some time to really get into my skin, because only then you can hear the tackiness of this one, but it's not that obvious as that you've got the Milk Hydrated Primer. That one is real sticky. This one has a stickiness to it, but it's not too much. You know that if you are going over your head with your finger, that it's going to peel off. Not in that kind of way. I'm doing it a little bit different this time. I am starting off here with my concealer. This is the Maybelline Eraser Concealer, and I'm going to buff that out underneath the eye before I put any foundation on the skin. This is one of my favorite concealers because it has a full coverage base, but it's light. It isn't a thick plaque on your face. You can be very natural with this one. For the foundation, I'm going to use the Hello Happy foundation by Benefit. This one is from my video Project Pan, so it has to become empty. So why not using it right now? So I'm doing 1.5 pump, I think, and just divide that a little bit around the face, and then I really am going to work that in. And I do that with stamping motions. And how closer you are going to the brush, the more pressure you can give on the brush. Then I got another concealer. This is the one by e.l.f., the Hydrating Camo Concealer with a satin finish. And I'm just going to dot it over there, over here, and over here. So, that was that one. Now we're going to bronze with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Stick in Mink. So, the contour is done. Then I'm going in with the Translucent Powder by Laura Mercier. This one I forgot to mention in my previous video. I was done and I was looking on my desk and I was like, oops, forgot. And that was the translucent powder. It doesn't have a smell to it. It is lightweight, and I think it doesn't crawl into little wrinkles. I never wore it for a day long, so that is what we are going to find out today. How it holds and if I need to repowder again. So for the bronzer, I am using the chocolate matte bronzer, the Soleil by Too Faced. This one also is part of the Project Pan. So if you didn't see that video, I will link it up here or there, somewhere. That was the bronzer. Then we're going to the blush. This is the strawberry blush. It is really pink in the pan, but when you use it on your cheek, it isn't that crazy pink, I promise. The pigmentation is right, the color payoff is precisely good, just the way I like it. It's not too much, so it's not like you're doing this and you're like a total clown or something. It is very subtle, and I really like subtle, so that one has a okay stamp from me. For the highlighter, I'm going to use the I Need a Nude Glow by Natasha Denona. So that was it for the highlighter. Now we're moving on to the Caviar stick. This is the mini. Just don't wind it up too far. And as you can tell, I didn't use any primer on my eyelid. And that's because this stick, you put it on in the morning and it's still there in the evening. So you put it on, you get your brush and you just blend that edge how far you like. So I'm going to go a little bit higher because this is a very neutral color. We can do that. I am really in love with this stick. A little bit on the under eye. In the previous video, I wore this highlighter with the look. But for today, I'm going to use the eyeshadow by Kiko Milano. And this is the Scentview Unexpected Paradise. I don't know if they still sell these ones, because I think it was a Christmas edition or something. What I do, because this one has a lot of fallouts, I am getting a tissue, put that underneath my eye, and then I am going to pat that in. The Caviar stick has a stickiness to it that will go away eventually, and yeah, I really love that about it, that it's going to turn in a kind of powder, but it stays put, and it is, in my opinion, water resistant, because I needed to get a makeup remover on oil base to clean my eye in a proper way, otherwise there were still residue left from the Caviar stick, and I think it's a good thing. So for me it's a yes. You can create this with your own highlighter or with a shimmer eyeshadow that you've got. You think, oh, this is pretty with it. You can also combine this with a blue, a green, or a pink, purple, just what you like. I want to keep it very natural today, so that's what I'm doing. And I really like this look. So I curled my lashes. And now I'm going in with the Caviar Volume Mascara. This is a full size, by the way. And I still love this wand, and I still love the magic that it does with my lashes. So, that's looking fresh and open. Now we're going to the last and final mini, and that's the lipstick. The Intense Red lipstick. That's it for the lipstick. So this is the pencil by Max Factor, and this is Color Elixir lip liner. This is one of the favorite lip liners on this moment. This way I really like to curl to that edge, so to make it more straight and sleek. I am going to keep you in the loop. So I'm going to do the wear test to let you see how the Caviar stick is holding up and how the lipstick is holding up. And yeah, you know, I said it already, it's a transferable lipstick. So if I'm going to drink something or I'm going to eat something, it's gone. And but the mascara, the powder, the blush, everything, I'm just going to see how it's holding up. So I see you in a bit. It's now 1:30, and I think I'm checking in around 5 o'clock or something. So see you soon. I'm back from my shopping spree. I did try on a lot of clothes. I drank some coffee. I eat a sandwich. And I just put a water bottle on my mouth. So you can see that the lipstick is a little bit wonky. It's something different than normal. It's now 5:30. My kiddos. And I never powdered. I never checked my lips. I didn't do anything. Just had a normal day for the rest and didn't think about my makeup. So this is what is left of the makeup. Just what I said, the eyes are still looking good. They're not creasing. So for me, that one is a great product. The Caviar stick is for me one of the best products I got here. So you can see that over here the lipstick has been running a little bit because of the water bottle. So I think that I stamped the lipstick more. You can see that the inner part is gone. It doesn't give a dry feeling on my lip. It's still, yeah, satiny. I don't mind the feel of it, but I do mind that it's running everywhere. So now I can form my honest opinion about it when I wear it for a day. And I don't think that $34.50, I thought the price of the lipstick, is something I will rebuy, because it is a lot of money for something that is not staying put on my lip. That being said, the mascara is still looking up. My hairs are still looking upwards and I really, really enjoy that. The primer and under eye cream are working very well. Ooh. Here, even the lipstick is in my neck. Okay, something different. It's not patchy. It is maybe a little bit more shiny than I was when I walked out of the door, especially my T-zone, but that is normal. Normally I have to stay powdering all through the day because of the oiliness around the T-zone. So I can choose to put only the hydrating primer on the cheeks and the top of the forehead and the chin. That's okay, but the nose area I should have gone with a matte primer, and one who is keeping your pores in control. I'm just now a little bit glowy and dewy. So the primer, I think it's a yes for me. So the under eye cream for me, it's a yes, because it is a very heavy cream, a thick, rich cream, and it gives you that luminousness. I don't think it is interfering my makeup. It isn't too shiny. It stayed good. So the powder did its work as well underneath my eye and my cheeks and my forehead, but only the nose area needs a little bit of help. So throughout the day I should have powdered my nose, but I didn't do that because I wanted to give you the full experience, and I just wanted to have the full experience. This is it for this tutorial for today. The way that I created this look with the Laura Mercier and Look Fantastic beauty box. It is in the video before this that I show you all of the products except the powder that I forgot, but I made it up for today. This is what I feel about the products. It's 100% my own true feelings about the products, and yeah, I really love Laura Mercier. This is my first encounter with it, the brand, and yeah, I am very happy with the result, how my makeup is staying put, and yeah, I'm just in love with the Caviar stick. That is the biggest one next to the mascara. Those two I can't live without anymore, I think. I hope you really liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel. It will help my channel grow tremendously, and I can use that, of course. And yeah, I hope to see you next time. Bye!